the dollar maintained a firm tone against European majors as focus turned to U.S. employment data today. Markets are expecting the non-farm payroll report to show 90,000 job growth in November, with the unemployment rate unchanged at 7.9%. Looking at the leading indicators for the non-farm payroll, the ADP employment growth dropped to 118,000 in November, down from the prior 157,000. The 4-week moving average of initial jobless claims jumped sharply from 355,000 to 408,000. The employment component of the ISM manufacturing index dipped into contraction area of 48.4, down from 52.1. That of ISM services dropped from 54.9 to 50.3, barely staying in the expansion region. So, the overall picture suggests that the NFP number could be worse than October's 171,000. The bigger question is on whether October's number would be revised sharply downwards. Canada will also release job data and is expected to show 10,000 job growth in November, while the unemployment rate is expected to be unchanged at 7.4%. Other data to watch includes UK industrial and manufacturing production, German industrial production and Swiss foreign currency reserves. The euro remains soft against the dollar since yesterday's European Central Bank meeting. The ECB left the main refinancing rate unchanged at 0.5% in December. While economic forecasts were downgraded, President Draghi cited improvements from some areas of the economy. Concerning interest rates, the president stated that there were wide discussion, but the consensus was to maintain them at current levels. A rate cut is still likely in the first quarter of next year, but the key concern for the ECB would be the deposit rate, which would fall to negative upon further reduction. On the unconventional monetary policy, the ECB rolled forward the full allotment for another 6 months. The Japanese yen is also broadly weak on expectation of the Bank of Japan easing. Takatoshi Ito, a major contender for the Bank of Japan governor's job, said that the central bank has done too little, too late, and were extremely passive in building inflation expectation. Though, he did acknowledge that setting an inflation target is worth trying in order to pull Japan out of a deflationary spiral that has lasted 15 years. Media polls in Japan showed that the opposition Liberal Democratic Party would win 257 to 3.